Okay guys, so the whole idea is basically I created a hole or a circle just to show where I need to cut basically, and I'm going to use a Dremel to cut the areas or the closest circle basically, and then I'm going to use one of these to just make the circle a little bigger. Unfortunately, I do not have a stone grinder or something to that effect. I think it's a step drill bit would also work, which I don't have. So basically just going to make the circle bigger using this little tool over here. Guys, so due to the Dremel actually running out of battery, I just went to go fetch one of these. I think it's called a grinding stone from Dane. So we're just going to use this to make the circles a little bit bigger or smoother, so that the quick latch can basically go through. It does already go through this side, just needs to do the other side. Okay guys, I managed to actually make the holes big enough. So this is basically what it's going to look like. Basically I just press this in over here, pull and release this. This will obviously remain on the body, and then the whole booted will be able to come off. I am running out of time, so I'm gonna try to basically complete the driver's side, and then the side I'll just be able to do tomorrow. I do need to go tomorrow to get some more hardware, or actually another bit, because this bit basically broke off. Just look for it quickly. So the stone grinder basically broke off. This is the pieces over here. So I'm gonna have to get some tomorrow. And then also, when I was by Dane, I just saw Dane was busy with another EG. So I'm maybe gonna get another loom like this, basically to replace these. This doesn't look nice. I do know that there is an adapter here, but that adapter won't fit through this gap, and that is why I had to cut it. So I want something to fit in this gap. I did not want to extend this because that grommet still has to go in here with the other cabling as well. So yeah, because of time, I'm just going to put you guys on a time lapse. I'll try to explain to you guys, but what we're basically going to do now, just drill the hole here, maybe use some toothpaste, press it against it, see where the hole is going to be. Now just put the 2 screws up. I did get the paint from Dane, just to touch this up as well underneath here, where the visible paint has been removed. So I will touch it up as well. However, I am on a time crunch, so I just want to move fast. So I'm going to do that at a later stage. So guys, just wanted to show you this. I removed the hinges bolts already, but as you can see, because it's still factory or OEM, it doesn't want to come loose. Probably gonna have to heat it with a screwdriver over here, over there, just to make it loose. That side and this side. I couldn't even put over 10 ratchet over these because it was still filled with OEM paint. Past 8 already. So yeah, I have to still figure out the alignment, because I can't do the alignment without the side being fitted as well. So this is what it looks like. Hope you guys can see the light is very bad. So basically this needs to still be pushed backwards when the side is fitted as well. So I can't still do the alignment, and I still need to paint underneath here as well. So this is with the boot basically closed. As you can see, it's closed. Okay guys, so I'm just going to open up the latch quickly, and I'll just press this button with a quick latch just to show you guys how to remove it. Okay, so basically this is now open, but it won't open without the latch, the quick latch being open. So I'm just going to show you guys. Hope you guys can see the light. Okay, actually has to be slightly lifted up. So as you can see there, That means that it's open. And then I'm just going to put you guys quickly down and show you how I remove the whole boot lid. So this is how you remove the boot lid basically. Press that over here. And ease unlock it there. Basically comes off just like that. So this way it will be easy for me to access anything here in the rear boot, such as spare wheels, as well as I do plan on putting a fuel tank in here as well, so it will be easy for me to access it, as well as we are relocating the battery to the rear as well, so that will be much easier for me. Basically just 2 buttons that I need to press and then the whole boot lid gets removed. I'm just going to show you guys how I put it back on to the car as well. Okay. And then it locks in. There we go. It is almost 9 o'clock already, so we won't be able to fit the other side, unfortunately. I am going to do that tomorrow. I am actually very happy with the outcome. Let me just show you guys how it works. Bear in mind everything is still loose and the alignment still needs to be done. So basically I'll just be able to press this over here and the whole boot lid will be able to be removed, and then you just simply just put it back into its place and then it just clicks back and then it will be secure again. So yeah, I'm going to finish up the video tomorrow, doing the other side as well. Hope you guys like the outcome. See you guys next time. Peace.